Alright, cool. Samurai, I should be. My tablet should be recording what I do. The angle's gonna be weird, but that's the best I can figure out. Like it's gonna be. It's not gonna. Maybe because it's my tablet trying to record the TV, and y'all are in my headset, so it can't hear you, but stuff and things, you know. But it can't. But I assume if you want to record on your phone or something, try and record your Switch or something, that would also work. So we can each get our own perspectives. That's fair. All right. There's a black sheep over here near me, and I think there's another sheep, black sheep maybe across the river. Yeah, y'all's dots are still really far away. I'm gonna kill this sheep right here. You want to go ahead and text Mara my accords? Uh, right now 62763 349. 349. 62763 349. Here, I'll put it in the VC. There. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. I'm gathering food. I'm putting it on the drying rack I made. Waiting for y'all. Once I get enough amount of food, I'm probably gonna gather the sand, since this is in fact technically Tinker's. Even though we haven't, the only Tinker's thing I've done so far is the drying rack. Because I didn't want to go too far without recording it. But yeah, it still bugs me that Tinker's bedrock doesn't have flint tools. Like, it bothers me a lot. Yeah, there's lava back there. I just, don't have iron to gather it. But if you want to go ahead and write down the coordinates that's at and put it in chat, that'd be wunderbar. Or, put it in the admin chat. All right, cool. I was just making sure that none of my information that's on my thing. All right, fair enough. Got it. All right, cool. That reminds me, for whatever reason, I should look into how the Tinker's bow works, because there was a Tinker's bow, but you were also able to use slime string or other types of string, and it would affect the way the bow thing, and you could also do two bow limbs stuff. But I can't figure out how to make a plate, which was required to make the bow, because it was two bow limbs in Tinker's, and then it was two bow limbs and a plate. Neat. Yeah, it was two bow limbs, a Tinker's plate, and I believe string, and it made a Tinker's bow. But again, without the plate, which I have no idea how to make, I'm not sure how to make the bow, because I couldn't see a way to make limbs either. So, I mean, I only have one bed, so unless y'all can kill enough sheep to skip the night, I don't think we'll be able to skip this night. So there's Mara. Nice. Yeah, Squirrel moments will probably get you killed given we haven't met up together yet, Samurai. As far as I know, there is no mountain. I don't know. I'm using a drying rack to turn food into jerky. Speaking of which, I'm about to. Yeah, she's. I think it was probably behind you or something. Give me a minute. Let me da, and then da. There you go. Yeah. If any of y'all want to gather dirt until I can get some stuff and things, we can probably hide in this mine that I'm making real quick, just for night 2 because I didn't record night 1. I was hoping to find a village. Yeah, and if you can grab enough of it, we can block off and just hide in this mine because we probably don't want mobs. I got one, and I got one inside of the wall, and the rest of the torches I had put in the house. Yeah, I didn't realize that. But assuming you grabbed clay like you said you would, I think the only thing we're missing is gravel. We can start making grout, and I can start working on a forge. Uh, oh yeah, that works. I'm putting it in the wall. Yeah. You did block off the mine, right? So mobs can't sneak in here. Well, Well, Dirt Mark should be able to mine quickly, so that shouldn't be that big of a deal. Ooh, look what we found. Not even that. Look closer. Look one more time at something I said was helpful. Also, I don't see any iron. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, if you could throw me the clay you said you had. Alright, that's gonna be more than enough. Cause I only had 2 sand anyways. Yeah, I don't know. It was being weird for me too. I tried to eat food when it was just me. Yeah, and it acted like I didn't eat. Like I had to hold it down for longer than I should need to. But yeah, I don't know why. We probably could have turned that chicken into dried food, and it would have filled more hunger. Speaking of which, can you grab me a few sticks while you're up there? Because I can make more drying racks to store down here. I think it's 3 sticks per drying rack, maybe. Let me look into doing something real quick. Is that it's who joined? Oh, that's Mara. So right. I'm recording. I'm still recording on my tablet. But That's why we were hunkered down in my mind for now until it became day. Yeah. All right. You should be able to end the crafting table, make drying racks, because then I should be able to dry some beef. What's wrong, Mar? What's wrong? Did you set your spawn using the bed? All right. All right. Where's the? All right. Baby zombie's dead. Yeah, she told me that. I will look into it between recordings. I am. Like I said when you joined back, I told you I was using my thing to record, my tablet. I put a lot of your stuff in the chest. Handle. You didn't die, did you? I heard it. All right. Um. Oh, sweet. We should be able to plant that to make more stuff and things. I know I'm watching, but I'm also trying to get enough stuff and things to make string. I can't remember how many plant fibers it's string. I think it's 4. Anybody want to make a wooden hoe real quick? Because we can start a bread farm. Uh, here. All right. I was gonna I was gonna give you my sticks because I had just noticed I got sticks. I think Samurai gave them to me. All right. I got 5. Hopefully the hubby doesn't take that the wrong way. Wherever you want. Yeah, that would be smart. Here. There's the seeds. I think a bunch of them despawned. Here you go. Throw them down to you. Because we're basically surrounded by water, Samurai. All right, cool. Okay, I need to go hide in the temporary shelter I made while I work on making. See how much string I can get away with making. All right, so 4 plant fibers is 2 string, so that means I have enough string to make the stuff and things. Alright. What did I do with the cobble? Alright. I'm over here making a Tinker's stone axe. Because if I understand what it does correctly, Mara, this... Wait, where are you? Alright. If I can figure out how to get... Okay, I need to parkour a little bit. Alright, this axe should help with mining trees and other things. Who taught that zombie how to fly? Like, there was a delay. Yeah, Samurai and I seem to be lagging a lot. I don't know what's up with that. I think it's because of this isn't a route. But yeah, there's going to be quite a bit of things we need to figure out, or we might have to just do this in a realm because it might be more stable than me hosting a world. Got it.